Hello everyone, today I'm in awesome, beautiful, amazing dress. It's Ukrainian national dress with some kinds of national flowers, and it's absolutely nature. What I'm going to cook today? The dish will be super simply because we don't have enough electricity during some unpredictable situation related to our Russian friends. And right now I still have electricity at home, but in any time it can be lost, and I'm going to do some sandwiches with peach. Yeah, you heard well, with peach. Yesterday I bought such beautiful bread in one of my favorite bakery. It's perfect. And what I'm going to do? I'm going to fry peach with butter. Also, I will spread Philadelphia cheese on bread. Cut my tomatoes, cut avocado, and of course add some greens. By the way, I will add some mixes of spices. It is spices and salt in one. And this is all. And in the end, I will add some blue cheese. So I need to create something to eat without any electricity, but only to fry this peach. And let's start do it. Our pan with electricity works right now. A few slices of butter. I like to add butter everywhere. So let's fry our peach. While my peaches were frying on the pan, I spread the Philadelphia cheese on bread. And right now I am going to cut tomatoes and avocado and try to combine all these to bread. I don't know what interesting to tell you, nothing special. Just today I'm going to visit one botanic garden, and in this garden there nice classical music concert, and it has been beautiful concert because it will be through the nature, through the garden of rose, and with some champagne, some wine, and beautiful people in beautiful clothes. I think in the end I will add lemon or lemon juice, just a little bit, that our avocado won't be black. And tomato. I think one tomato is enough. Anyway, let's cut it. I add some spices, a little bit of orange juice only for our avocado, just like it. And let's add some greens just to we are on final line, and the last ingredient what I decided to add, it's blue cheese. Okay, let it be. Maybe also add some honey. Yeah. So I cut on little slices and add it. Not so perfect. It's our creative sandwiches. Our sandwiches are done, and time to taste. Time to taste it. I hope it is not so dangerous for life. It's super tasty. But if you eat meat, please add bacon and also some honey. In any case, it will be more special. And I would like to add maybe some more spices, and I will do it later. Just want to have another bite. And that's all. So my creative sandwich is done. I won't die from kisses. Sweet as me, as you. Have a nice day. Hugs.